Most people think social media is about views, but views don't pay fees, views don't bring clients, but a strategy does. Now, before we go ahead, I want to say one thing clearly. Some of you already know me from this channel. Back in 2021-22, this channel is all about vector art, graphic designing and tutorials. There was a gap, not because I quit, but because I was learning. I was working behind the scene, understanding how contents work, how brands think, how social media actually bring clients, not just views. During this time, I realized something very important. Editing and designing is a skill, but businesses don't grow on skills alone. They grow on strategies. That's when I understand social media has only three real purpose: attracting the right people, build trust, convert attention into money. Students usually post for followers, businesses post for customers, and जब दोनों सेम चीज करते हैं तो दोनों कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं and usually fail हो जाते हैं. A consultancy page doesn't need viral reels. It need 10 serious lead per week. A brand doesn't need likes. It need buying intention. Posting without goal is like running without direction. You get tired but you did not get desired result. So why I started again? Because now I have clarity. Now I have experience and now I understand how social media actually work. For students, for creators, for businesses. If you want social media that actually work for you, not for noise, not for ego, but for growth, this channel is for you. Subscribe this channel. We talk growth, not noise.